Let's take a look at this DIY boba tea kit. It's called Skoosh with popping bobas imported from Taiwan. You just need to add chilled water. This costs around 999 rupees or $14 or so. You get to make 4 different flavors and 8 drinks in total. And this is everything that you get in the package, and some straws. You even get 4 glasses to make the boba tea. So let's make one. This is the purple blast. You fill it with water up to here. Add the blackcurrant flavored packet. Once this is mixed, you put the lemon boba. Now you put the nata de coco jelly. You can see the boba down there. Now you just drink it. So let's taste it. It has sugar in it, so you don't need to add to it. Such a refreshing drink. You get a nice blackcurrant flavor, and the bobas are the popping kind, not the chewy kind. When they pop, they release lemon flavor, which complements the drink really well. You get to sip, pop, and chew. Such an amazing texture and flavor. Easy to make too. Quite nice. Check it out.